We are now within 36 hours of potentially dealing with a touch of light icing in the hill country. There have been multiple shifts in the storm timing and track, and right now, here's my latest thinking. Likely a cold rain. I-35 corridor points to the east, even as far west as Highway 281. I'm not overly concerned about icing potential, but we've seen some of the computer models ratchet back up slightly for light icing possible through Northwest Burnett, Llano, Gillespie, and Mason counties. Not a huge deal, but I want to show you what could be a potential worst case scenario. Note, these are the two most aggressive models when it comes to icing, hot off the presses. Nothing for I-35 points east, but you can see this one shows a little bit of icing, Northwest Burnett County, some in Blanco, Gillespie, Mason, and Llano counties. This one's a little bit more aggressive, but this just gives you an idea. If we see the worst case materialize, we're still going to be okay in the Austin area, but those of you in the hill country, I suspect a winter weather advisory might end up needing to be put into place. Bridges, overpasses, high elevation areas, those are going to be the areas that could be the biggest risks. 38 right now. We are heading to another overnight low of freezing temperatures already near that at the airport. It's 33. It's already down to 31 in Harper. So a freeze area wide, 20s to 30 degrees, but it's dry tonight. No issues tomorrow. High pressure's in control. We've got this area of low pressure that is a little slower, and that slower progress is actually letting us off the hook for most of our area. But to our north, Dallas area is going to be dealing with wintry mix if you're heading up there for the game. If you're driving on Thursday into early Friday, you could run into issues. For us, I've upped our lows to 34 in Austin for Thursday and Friday morning, above freezing, and that is crucial. But Llano, Round Mountain, Blanco, Fredericksburg, Mason by Thursday morning could be right on the edge with freezing, and that may be where we see that light icing pick up. You can see everyone for Thursday, and high temperatures should warm up, though, above freezing. All right, so let's watch this low as it moves closer toward our area. We're going to see rain over our area, the wintry mix farther toward the north. It all pushes out, so we're just going to be dealing with Thursday issues. Tomorrow for your Wednesday, patchy cloud cover, a dry day, no big deal. Starting early Thursday, that's when we could see that wintry mix, Northwest Hill Country, rain through the Austin area. All of this is going to be pushing out as we head through Thursday night, and by Friday morning, we are done. So I've shown you what the worst case scenario is. The good part of this is we need some moisture, and we could pick up an inch to an inch and a half of rain here in the Austin area. Cold rain, albeit. As we head into the weekend, we see temperatures warm back up into the 50s and 60s.